Hey guys, my name is Real Crypto, and on this channel we talk about the hottest crypto projects and launches. And today we're going to talk about extremely bullish and, in my opinion, even revolutionary project. And with the Trump winning the election and the Bitcoin prices reaching all-time highs, I believe altcoin season is next. That's why it's really important to pick your winners early to maximize your gains. And I believe today's project has a really great chance to actually be a leader in the next bull run. But before that, I need to remind you that I'm a financial advisor. This video is not a financial advice. Always do research, and let's check out today's project.
Get money.
So today we are talking about a project called SolarX. In my opinion, this is a really revolutionary and unique project. They offer hardware, they also offer software, they have really big partners. In my opinion, this ecosystem, this package looks really attractive for the investors. So as usual, I think without wasting anybody's time, let's jump into the main page to learn all the features, all the utilities. I'm going to explain you why I think the project is bullish. And what's really cool, I personally own their hardware and I'm really happy with it. And I think in the future, this hardware will have even more use cases. So the SolarX is the future of the blockchain energy. And they have this device, which is the miner. And this is actually a device that lets you mine crypto using solar energy, basically with the solar panels. And you can see how it looks. It's actually a really cool looking box. And of course, it offers green energy, 50 hours plus non-stop mining. Of course, you can see it's an eco-friendly zero CO2 device. And of course, it can be working all day because they even have a plug. You can actually even plug it to the wall. So you can use it all day long, not only when it's sunny. And also this device has internal batteries, so it can actually work 24/7. Again, really cool. So the SolarX project is an innovative and eco-friendly approach to cryptocurrency mining that aims to use renewable energy sources to power the mining process. I think it's a really genius idea and really works in today's market. So let's click order. This will open actually the miner, how to buy it. At the moment, the price is $740. You can find the link in the description. And also, if you want to buy using my link, which is, I will show you, Rico Crypto, like my channel, Crypto, it's right here. So you're getting 5% on your order if you plan to buy using my referral link. Again, great discount, but let's talk more about the actual device. So once you buy it, you have 6 months warranty. They ship worldwide and you get all the cables. I think, yeah, pretty simple explanation, but we'll learn more about different features they offer. So you can see compatibilities of SolarX, power supply, off-grid, so you can actually use it off-grid without any electricity, generating passive income through mining. And this is actually, of course, the main thing. You can actually buy this miner and start earning passive income. And I will later show you the calculator where you can actually calculate how much money you'll be getting at this time in the market. After that, Wi-Fi connection, easy coin switcher, so miner can switch between different coins directly from the user dashboard. And actually, this is another unique feature of this platform. You can also mine different tokens, and they plan to add loads of different tokens. For example, if we jump into the Twitter, they have 76,000 followers, 77,000 followers. You can see the community is big. People are happy with the project. People are buying. People are using it. You can see they posted November 9th. So get ready, community, on November 22nd. More coins will be added to our mining platform. You can see if you click right here, you can see some of the examples. And this is going to be a chance to mine different tokens using solar power and their miner. So I think this is going to be really cool for the up and coming altcoin season, bull run, because this device will have lots of use cases for the passive income. And of course, passive income is great. And last is sustainable growth. So powered by renewable energies, SolarX miners are part of sustainable future. So in my opinion, the device is really great. As I mentioned, I have 3 of them in my home. So you can see I'm really bullish and I'm waiting for the new tokens to be added. But this is not only a device. They have way more features. So let's jump in back to the main page, because the device, in my opinion, is the main feature, but they're building things around it. So as I mentioned, hardware and lots of different software solutions and features. After that, we have the SolarX Layer 1. Again, really cool. They're building the full ecosystem around this product. So the blockchain of miners, multi-coin mining on a single network. Again, huge. Energy efficient mining powered by the green energy and improved mining rewards. So SolarX blockchain is the next evolution in the decentralized proof of work mining by allowing miners to access multiple coins built on layer 1, supporting renewable energy and offering secure, scalable network. They are making mining more flexible and profitable than ever. And this is launching really soon. That's why I'm doing this video, because you can actually buy the device and actually participate before all of these big updates, which I think are really big updates. And actually the market right now seems to be getting hotter. And of course, if you're early, you are maximizing your gains, and also you're getting your device earlier. Again, use my code. So why mine on SolarX? First of all, multi-coin mining on a single network. Again, this is the biggest one. Seamless swapping between projects. Again, you can see the dashboard and how it all looks. So right here is going to be your mining power. So the more devices you buy, the bigger the power. I'm going to show you how much exactly you can earn from one device. This is going to be all the tokens you can mine. And of course, you can claim the rewards. You can cash out and make passive income just by having these devices. Energy efficient, of course, improved mining rewards, stake your mine tokens. Actually, they have really great staking, really big staking rewards. So once you earn these tokens, like you mine these tokens, you can actually stake and get even more rewards. So rewards on top of the rewards, and easy project building. So you can see this is another big part of the project. It's going to be their blockchain. After that, we have RWAs. Again, really big narrative in crypto space right now, really bullish. I would say a few months ago, it was one of the biggest, I would say, things on Twitter, on crypto Twitter. So revolutionizing RWAs for the mining community. SolarX is introducing a real world asset solution, transforming the mining community by integrating sustainable energy practices with tangible asset-backed advancements. So you can see how the actual platform will look once they launch it. And again, they're launching soon. We are early and we can participate before all of these big advancements. You can see how it looks: crypto, stocks, real estate, all your assets in one dashboard. Again, really cool. And once you combine the layer 1, mining, RWAs, and even next feature, launchpad, you can see how bullish it is. So actually, they're also launching the SolarX launchpad. And if you've been following my channel, I'm extremely bullish about the launchpads. I was talking about launchpads, the full bear market, because I believe the launchpad tokens are the first to actually do 20, 50x when we see the bull market, because of course, everyone wants to participate in the new projects, and the launchpads are the easiest way for the retail investors to do that. So the SolarX launchpad will showcase new projects before they go to market. The SolarX launchpad will allow you to participate in the projects without being locked into the membership. Basically, at the launchpads right now, you have to buy the tokens, you have to stake the tokens, there are different tasks, and sometimes you're not even guaranteed to participate. And SolarX is actually reinventing this model with their miner, with their like system, and they plan to do this differently. And also what's really great, they're going to be offering the robust refund policy. Basically, if the project is not performing, the participants get some kind of refund. I still don't know the exact rules, the exact conditions, because as I understand, your investment is really safe with this launchpad, no membership. And if you're in the SolarX ecosystem, you're getting all of these advancements and features. Next up, let's talk about the partners. So basically, there you're going to see different tokens you can mine. So we are proud to collaborate with the forward-thinking partners who share our commitment to driving innovation and efficiency in cryptocurrency mining through the use of renewable energy. And you can see some of the partners already here. And as mentioned, they're planning to add way more partners really soon. We're still early. So we have projects like Go Smart Chain, actually Skillful AI. I talked about this project on my channel already. So you can see two bullish projects combined. And the last one is Zax Morris, which is like a Zax token. So you can see this list is growing really, really quick. And I think if you refresh this website in a week, you're going to see more tokens in the month, way more tokens. And of course, this system will be growing. Next up, let's jump into this more button, where they have some other things that are really important. So first of all, of course, the calculator. So every miner is working at 1.92 watt, and you can calculate, and this will show you how much you're going to be earning. So you can see you're going to be earning right now in today's market $54 a month, and I think this is pretty fair. At the moment, the market is not as good, but if you buy right now, you can start accumulating passive income before the big rush to the altcoins, because as usual, first of all, the Bitcoin goes, then people start Googling what is happening with the Bitcoin, with crypto, and then people start to buy altcoins, and then we have the altcoin season. And of course, if you have the altcoins before the big rush, the big season, of course, they're making 50, 20, 100, like all of these big numbers. So again, you can check out the calculator, see how much you're making. Again, these numbers will change depending on the markets. So now let's talk about the actual miner and the dashboard. So once you get your miner, as I mentioned, I have free. It's a really easy setup. Basically, you just connect it to Wi-Fi and you connect it to your account. So if you jump into dashboard, right here, you're going to see your portfolio value. After that, you're going to see your mining now power. So basically, the more miners you buy, the higher the number and the more you're mining. And right here, you're going to see your rewards. Once you want to cash out, just click right here and withdraw mining rewards. It's really easy. And once they add more tokens right here, you're going to see more tokens you can actually mine. After that, As I mentioned, they have staking. So again, really easy to stake. They have different plans for 1 year, for 30 days, and different APRs. Again, super basic, super easy to understand. They have the swaps. Again, really simple, nothing really special. And as I mentioned, right now we're super early. You can order your device using my code with a big discount. And of course, once they add new tokens, Launchpad, Layer 1, RWAs, you're going to be already in the ecosystem, and then you can actually get the big rewards with the bull market. Also, once you buy the device, you're going to see your device right here in the My Assets. I don't want to open because there's some codes. I don't want you to get my codes. But basically, this is where you see your devices. You connect the devices, put the solar batteries to the sun. There is instruction how to do it. And then just use solar power to get passive income. Again, super simple, super cool. And in my opinion, the project looks really bullish. So as usual, guys, all the links in the description. If you use my link, you're getting 5% discount on the miners. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments or join our free Telegram. It's in the description and top comment. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. See you next time.
Get money.